have a seat, and I was able to snag 3 this time, so I'm hoping for some cute colors. I really love the mint colored one, and which is QQ, and I really like Dada, but I'd be happy with Baba too. I like the ones with their eyes open. Honestly, any of them I'd be happy with, because I like the butter yellow one too. I'm thinking about getting butter yellow nails, so who knows. Okay, let's see. I'm getting better at opening these boxes. At least I think I am. Watch, this one be the one that's like, nope, I am getting better. Okay, no spoilers. No spoilers, no spoilers. Let's see. Cute, cute. Okay. What is it? What did I say about that butter yellow? It's like I'm psychic. How cute. Okay, let's see if we can record my son's reaction to it without recording his face. So let's see. Okay, Noble, of this cutie. His name is, or her name is Cece. What do you think?
What?
What? Okay, so I think he likes it. He was rubbing his face on it, so I guess that's a bonus. Oh, he's trying to chew on the foot. All right. Not like those are valuable or anything. How about we not chew on the foot? Toddler life, y'all. Okay, let's see. So we got Cece, and where's her card? Here's Cece's card. I like that these cards are like hard plastic. That's cool. Cece. Cece. Can you say Cece? Next up, here we go. A ball? Oh, you found a ball. Okay. A ball. Okay, here we go. No spoilers. Oh, yay! It's Baba. Very cute. Love a neutral girly. What do you think of Baba?
Baba.
He said it, Baba. How cute.
Baba.
A Baba. Yep. Let's see, Baba. Okay, last. Let's hope we get a cutie. Watch me get all neutrals. That's how it's gonna be. Let's just hope there's no dupes. No dupes is all I'm hoping for now. Oh, I forgot to show Baba's card. Where's Baba's card? Oh, it's like way down in there. There it is. Baba. Okay. Last, but certainly not least. What do we got? Oh, the lavender one is so cute. Ooh. I said I like the eyes open, but this one reminds me of like a little sleepy bunny. And lavender is like, that's a really pretty purple. Wow. Okay, which one is this? ZZ. How cute. ZZ. And then here's the card. Yeah, the lavender's really not popping up very much in the darkness of this parking garage, but it's very, very cute. Okay, so that's them. Goodness, 5 minutes for a video unboxing of these. Okay, so these are the 3 we got. We got Dada, ZZ, or Baba, ZZ, and Cece. How cute! What are you doing? Ta-da! So adorable. Okay, and I think I'm done for unboxings, so huzzah! I think. I hope. Okay, now that I have slightly better lighting, I want to show you these guys in better lighting. Because once I get inside, my son's napping-ish in the back. Once I get inside, it's going to be mom mode again. So, here we go. Oh, he's waking up, so I'm about to have to go, but see, it's this pretty, pretty lavender gray color. Yeah. There's these two. Okay, that's my cue to go into mom mode. Thanks, guys. Bye.